Okay, so I just unpacked my TV. Here's all the packaging stuff, the manual, um, paperwork and stuff, the stand, and here's the TV. So pretty much the issue is here's the remote. Here's the TV, right? As soon as you plug it in, here's the power cord. As soon as you plug it in, this LED will start flashing. There you go. And well, there is the power button on the bottom. You press it, nothing happens. If you keep pressing, nothing happens. If you hold it for a moment, nothing happens. On the remote, I put in the batteries, and you can see the remote works, but it won't turn it on. Yep. So yeah, the TV is broken. It doesn't work at all. I already tried to unplug it, press this for 15 seconds, plug it back in, but nothing. So yeah, I have to send this back.